Hi, hi, my name is Anaksasari, and I'm going to show you how to use our online platform, our learning management system, our e-learning platform. So the website is community.justcommit.org. So you open with your browser. Yeah, you can see I'm already logged in. So there is a notice here. So you can see there are tracks here. So you click on the start here. So when you click on start here, so you first get to the video of how to use the platform. So you can see the activities down here. So you scroll, you click on this arrow here, and let's say you get to the introduction. Yep. So you see this is the introduction. So tell us your name, country. So I will type my name, country, whatever I want to type. Then I go to the next lesson, and there are points to be awarded for each lesson. So I can share videos and do a lot of stuff that um, on this platform. So basically, these are the features of the platform. So you can see we have ebooks embedded in this app. So you can see when I get to this part, let's say chapter 4, baking products. So you can see an ebook here that is embedded, so I can zoom in and read. So after I complete the action, after I just click the complete action button, and after I click the complete action button, let's say you see, yep, I've earned 2 points for doing that. So this is basically how our online learning platform looks like. And there are other tracks, and then there are other courses that is available for all students. You can see for instance, and these are the many courses available on the platform. Let's see, so if you want to learn how to use Microsoft Office, this is the course. You can there are two options here. So you can either complete for business. You can submit your business document like a normal business, or you can the option two, you can learn how to develop an NGO. So in any of them, so let's say if I want to do this after the track one is completed, that's when you can have access to the track two. So you can see this. So there is the first activity on sharing stocks and profits. So I'm going to read the ebooks. So after that, there's a question. Kindly upload a picture of you of your profit sharing agreement below. So these are the places to upload this. So you click on this first step, the second step, and you select the file and you upload this. So this is how um it's like and you can see when you get to down here, you can see there are resources section that some resources are attached. For instance, let's say if you want to, I want to do my cost accounting for this project. Now you can see the cost accounting has been opened. Yeah. So when I get to the resources section, I can see a template here which I can click and download. So basically, this is how to use our online platform. So there are other courses here. There are normal educational courses that I can take tracks. So let's get to the tracks. So you can see here, for instance, if I want to take a course on, there are apps that you can download. You can learn coding that apps. Let's say normal school curriculum. So if I want to do ICT for junior high or middle school, so there is it. So I get here. You can see the lesson one, yeah, and the videos here. So there are a lot of lessons here that you can take. After that, you see three important applications of ICT. You type your assignment, and then you send it. So you can either take a picture of your assignment, you can write it and take a picture of assignment and send it, and you receive a response, and you get it. So this is the features of our online platform.